Oh, 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 Bangkok, baby. I am here, gotta love this city, just so much to see. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough, it's Bangkok, baby. I'm so ready to see, wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the city, so give me some stuff to see. So give me more stuff to see. I need stuff. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby.
Okay, so we are in the university area, the largest, I think it's the most prestigious one in Bangkok. And you can see looks like a main street right in there, tons and tons of students. And they're walking up to this concert up in the park here. And we just did a previous video, I'll link it back below as well. And we're gonna walk through that big main street. Stay tuned for this walk through that busy university street in Bangkok. We're in Bangkok. And you probably already heard it, but you heard a little bit of music because we're near one of the biggest universities in Bangkok, and there's some live music on this particular day, and the streets are just flooded with young people. Probably a lot of them are college students. So that makes this one particularly interesting to film. And I have it up on the map behind me so you can see exactly where it's at in Bangkok. And we're gonna get right into the walk and talk where you can hear me interact with my environment, which is also kind of interesting to hear that as well. So Bangkok, baby, walk and talk time. Okay. It's actually some kind of cool architecture around here. I saw that one right across the street there. It was called like Chinatown. And there's even a China reference. Dragon Town. And I guess that's part of the university. We are going to go directly down this main street here. That's where the university's concert is going on. If I can see the name of the street, I'll highlight it in the video. Got some artwork over here too and some restaurants. You know, I think I did film this in the past, but it was a while back, 5 years ago or so. So we're gonna walk right down that busy street. There's also some other stuff over here too. So I think this one has the dragon one and also has more of the I think it's all like a kind of a giant college area. Actually, this street equally looks interesting as well. There's Chinese and Thai there. Cool buildings. Okay, so we're gonna focus on our street. There's Iowa Park where we started at. That's where we're gonna walk down in a minute. That's a university sign over there. Let's walk down. This restaurant looks incredibly popular. Another busy street. Right now it's about 5 p.m. I think, on a Saturday though. But it feels like traffic jam everywhere here.
Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you? So this street looks pretty short. Shorter than I thought, and I haven't seen a name for it yet. But we'll give you a slice of Bangkok nonetheless. Okay. There's a lot of Chinatown references in this area. So let me just see here. So I don't know the name of the street, but I guess we'll call it a street near this university area. And I might even walk around here a little bit, try to give some context to it. Our street was much shorter than I thought. We have more interesting streets over that way too though, so. Kind of a main street in here. Let me see, let's just kind of walk down it. We'll walk down the street and we'll come back the other side. So it looks like we have lots of popular restaurants. I think it's almost all university students. Chubby cheesy durian. Let's see. Don't know what to say except just to let you see it. Hello. I guess it's all like Chula. I saw like Chula 4 and Chula. This one says Chula 18, so I guess these are streets named after the university area. So right there it says Chula 18, so I think it's like, oh, there's some pretty cool stuff everywhere in here. Okay. Isan fusion food. It's kind of hard to know which way to go. There's kind of cool stuff throughout. So I am going to walk lots of nice buildings everywhere. Okay. So we're gonna go over to the other side of the street and then go down towards the music. Okay, so this is where we're at. And this is a very busy street. And I want to walk over on the other side and go back towards the music. So I'll do that in a moment, but it's also kind of interesting just capturing the scenes and everything just on this road in general. It's such a busy area of Bangkok. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty cool, to say the minimum. So I'm going to try to cross the street right here. Just kind of walk this way briefly. Okay, so these are all just for the restaurants. We are gonna go across the street, I think. Looks like we can do it. Let's run across. Also a pretty cool space right there. So actually there's some really nice spaces around this university area. Wow. Whole other part of Bangkok for us. Most foreigners usually film Sukhumvit or Kosan. But there's all kinds of other areas to check out as well. So actually this has a different name. Charat Boang, which I'm mispronouncing badly. But I like this area though. It's like a totally different image of Bangkok. It's also a Saturday night too. Hey. Okay. Busy. Alleys. It's too bad it's getting dark already because it'd be kind of a cool place to film all kinds of streets in here. It smells great. Okay. So I guess we'll just call it the streets around this university. What else could we call it? And then if you saw my last video on Bangkok, there's a concert in the park over there. places though. Okay, let's see. Well, anyways, over there, we're gonna end this video, but you can see that it's very, very popular here today. I'm gonna try to find a different place to film. And I'm kind of curious about this alley right here, so I'm gonna turn off the camera right around in this spot. This would be kind of this university area. That was the street that we walked down.